Have you ever heard of a purge valve? It's a small part, but it plays a huge role in keeping your car running efficiently while also helping the environment. In this video, I'll explain what a purge valve is, how it works, and why it's so important. Let's dive in. The purge valve traps the fuel vapors created in your fuel tank and prevents them from escaping into the air. Is usually located in the engine bay of a car, either attached to the intake manifold or the engine. A faulty purge valve will cause poor fuel economy, engine power loss by disturbing the air-fuel ratio. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the purge valve-related error codes. Short distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. A malfunctioning purge valve not only affects your car's performance but can also lead to increased emissions and fail an emissions test. That's why regular maintenance and diagnosing issues early is so important. So, there you have it. The purge valve may be small, but it's a critical component for your car's performance and for protecting our environment. If you suspect an issue, don't ignore it, get it checked out by a professional mechanic. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive tips, and let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.